My name is Francisca Marabu. I work for National Taxpayers Association. Currently, the National Taxpayers Association is implementing a tobacco tax advocacy project. The project falls under one of the key thematic areas for National Taxpayers Association, that is under the current strategic plan, which ran from 2019 to 2023. That is the specific thematic area is on research, advocacy, and policy influencing. So the project has 4 key objectives that we'd want to achieve at the end of this particular project. And one of the first objective of this particular project is we would want NTA to remain a trusted government entity on matters related to tobacco control, tobacco taxation, and tobacco economics. The second objective is we would want to reduce affordability of tobacco prices, increase excise tax on tobacco products by 15% of retail selling price. And the third objective is we'd want to advocate for implementation or operationalization of the Solasham compensatory fund, the 2% compensatory fund that is under the tobacco control regulations. And the other fourth objective is we'd want the broader tax economic justice community to rally behind NTA in order to advocate for matters related to tobacco control in Kenya. So the project, we are partnering with various stakeholders during implementation of this particular project. And one of the stakeholders that we'd want to partner with are the relevant ministries, departments, and agencies. And the very key ministries, departments, and agencies that we'd want to partner with is Kenya Revenue Authority. We'd want to partner with National Treasury. We'd also want to work closely with the policymakers, that is the different committees at the National Assembly. That is the Committee of National Planning and Finance Committee, the Budget Committee, and the Health Committee, all of the national Parliament. The other key stakeholder that we would really want to engage and partner with is the media or the journalists in Kenya, because these are very key in terms of pushing for this particular agenda, because they'll be able to amplify our voices on matters related to tobacco control in Kenya. We'd also want to partner with the academia, and we would want to we have partnered more specifically with the business schools of selected universities here in Kenya. And the reason why we would want to partner with the business schools is we would want them to help us or to rally behind us in terms of pushing for tobacco control matters in Kenya, matters related to tobacco taxation, and generally matters related to tobacco control in Kenya. And therefore, we have trained students from 6 selected universities. We selected 5 students from Riara University, Catholic University of Eastern Africa, Multimedia University, Technical University of Kenya, and University of Nairobi, so that we are able to collaborate and partner in terms of pushing for matters related to tobacco taxation in Kenya. We have also partnered with Kenya School of Revenue Administration, because we would want at the end of it all these particular students to be able to develop academic papers that will be subjected to a panel of technical experts on matters related to tobacco taxation, just for them to be able to contribute to the existing body of knowledge on matters related to tobacco taxation. We have managed to engage the journalists, and we have had our first training of the journalists on matters related to tobacco taxation, and the role of media, the role that the media can play in pushing the agenda on matters related to tobacco taxation. So the journalists would want to partner with them since implementation of this particular project until the end of this particular project, just to help us in pushing this particular agenda in the different media houses that they represent. So the 15 journalists are very willing to help us put out those information related to tobacco taxation in Kenya.